NS, maybe.
Possibly.
No, that's a P.
That's a P?
Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania?
No way.
Pennsylvania?
No, I think that's UP.
That's
That's my boy.
That's
Let's get a honk.
okay. Hey, there's something on the back of it though. Nah, they're all cute. Oh wait, the back, can't see the color over there. That's my local in Elgan! He knows me, that's why I called!
Yeah!
Like I know him personally! A bunch of train cars just to the end of here!
Wow, you know this train, man. Oh my god! Oh my god, it is! That's right, 67 miles an hour. Wow, Jesus! That thing was literally going about 70 miles per hour.
Oh man, I got him to honk! That was my local!
Oh, that's a local out at Elgan.
Yeah,
So,
he
I
goes
think
through
he-
Bastrop down to
Yeah, he fucking honked at us too. He stuck his hand out and gave us a thumbs up.
yeah, he knows.
I'm telling
I've
you,
met him
dude.
before. He stops in Elgin at the Diamond, and I've talked to him before.
Is he a cool dude?
Oh yeah, he's awesome.
Does he like his job?
He gave me the hard hat.
Oh! No, so he probably was like, hey, it's my bros.
I know. Yeah.
What if we start seeing him as a regular
me
here?
and the engineer, we are actually. They've rerouted a lot of the tracks because of COVID.